Girl, please.
Yes, hi. I'm gonna make a meal with salmon and shrimp, rice, and chickpeas. I'm gonna do curry chickpeas, you know, under 30 minutes. So the salmon is already cleaned. See, I already scraped the scale off it. So I'm just gonna get everything ready now. I'm gonna do a curry sauce. Normally I would use coconut cream, but I don't have any, so I'm just gonna use a little bit of the heavy whipping cream. Just a little. Just gonna cut it down. Not too small.
No, I can't. I'm doing something.
Please.
I can't. I'm doing something.
Try and hold on.
Mm-hmm.
Charlie, not right now. Okay, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of season on it. This is more seasoned cabinet. Season to your liking. I'm gonna put some Mrs. Dash.
When you put it, before you use it, show it to the camera.
Mrs. Dash. Okay. I'm gonna use some chili powder. Some paprika. Damn. the seasoning. Some paprika. And then I'm going to use some other seasoning, but for now, this is it. Okay. Okay. So that's it. Come on, really.
All right, tell them you're doing the rest now.
I'm going to do the rice now. I'm going to put the rice on first so everything would be on the stove at the same time. So let's do the rice first. Just regular. Because now in the supermarket you can't really get any rice that you like. You just have to just take what you get. I don't measure. I just know the amount. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna wash it now. Now I'm taking out the starch. And I'm gonna put some of the Sazon because I like the color that it gives. Okay. I'm gonna measure either a little bit. Maggi seasoning. And that's it because I'm going to season the pot more.
Wait.
Get them crisp up.
Say that over. Say that over.
Yeah, I'm just gonna crisp up the salmon, the skin, some. Just splash it. Okay. I'm gonna make curry chickpeas, and I'm gonna add the black beans to it. And this is just diced tomato in the can. I don't have any other tomato. So I'm taking out the salmon because I don't want them to really cook. Just want them to get some color on there. Not fully cooked on the inside. This one, the skin came off a little.
Okay, hold on. You gotta say that for the TikTok video. Show one more time.
Just cooking out, let the curry cook out some, because remember the chickpeas, they're already cooked, so that's the reason why I saute to soften up the onions. So now I'm just cooking out the onion, let the curry cook out. Heavy cream up a little bit, and now I'm rinsing off the chickpeas. See, I don't.
I'll show it again.
Wait. You know, I'm still gonna taste it and, you know, add the necessary season that it needs. Like I said, season to taste. Oh, oops, sorry. Not ready yet.
Take it off one more time. You're doing it too fast.
Oh. Okay. So the same thing I'm gonna do for the shrimp. It was just a little bit too hot, so that's the reason. I'm gonna saute them a little. Saute. Rice is steaming. Sorry.
Don't be sneezing in my room. Nah.
What? Show it. I did already in the beginning.
Help me.
Go ahead.
You ready? Okay.
Let me
So,
help Grandma. Don't send my mind.
Girl!
Send it.
and it's not gonna be too salty because the rice doesn't have too much salt. See, this is the chickpeas.
Let him out. Why? You know what why? So I shake it and you let no one
amount that I want in there.
Nail polish? Oh.
Just gonna let it
Nail
cook.
polish. My nail polish almost spilled. There's a drink it. It's on the bottle.
And that's that for that.
Go ahead and I add some garlic because I forget the garlic. I add some garlic powder. I put some pimento seeds off camera. And now this is it. This is the curry sauce. And now it's time to add the fish, the salmon back to it. Alright. Now I'm gonna add the salmon to it. So one go here. Okay. I think I need a bigger pot. Okay. So I'm gonna leave the pot because I need a bigger pot. Sorry, let me get the spoon. And then I'm just gonna spoon it over onto the fish. Onto the fish, just like that. Just like so. And I'm gonna give it a minute. Then I'm gonna add the shrimp. I'm gonna add the shrimp to it. So I like to finish it off with a pack of the Szechuan because I really do like the color. The color and the flavor that it gives it. Just gonna add it right over it. All done. See? All done. Tastes real good. So now, see? It's all done.
So far the rice is done, and the chickpeas.
The rice is done, the curry chickpeas is done, and the fish is done. I just want to spoon it over. It's the same, it's the curry, so you're not going to use a spoon. Alright. Is something on your phone?
Yes.
Oh, hold on.
I feel like mommy is cooking, so she's gonna get turned.
This is the finished product. Move it back.
Oh my god, I didn't even realize that the guy in the video gagged.
I'm gonna eat this.